Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I'm in Vietnam today. We're just on an incredible river trip, and what you've got to look out is for, in business, opportunities everywhere that you can make additional income. So we're just on the river now, and there's this lady over here, who you can see there, who is literally going up to all the boats and taking pictures of us. You can see there, she's taking pictures of us there, and she's going to try and sell us the pictures at the end, which we'll have to haggle to get a good price if they come out nicely or not. But in Vietnam and other countries in Asia, they literally are very entrepreneurial people. They're always looking for opportunities, and you could do that in your business. Like, what other opportunities could you have in your business? Who could you partner with? You always got to be thinking about how you can do those sorts of things. So always have a look out for things you can do. If you want to learn more about getting more sales and more leads into your business, we run an event called the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. We run it 1 or 2 times every month. And I'd love for you to come along, because we've had some incredible successes. A lot of our customers have gone on to make many tens of thousands additional revenue in their business, and some have even gone on to make millions extra in their business. And I'd love to share my 5-step system with you at the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. How to turn cold leads into hot customers in a matter of days. So if you're interested in the Internet Marketing Bootcamp, click on the link in the description below and grab a free ticket to the event. Cheers guys, see you soon.